welcome to the Culinary Cam YouTube channel. My name is Camilla and I hope you are ready to make a delicious mess. Today I'm going to show you how to hard-boil eggs. I know that sounds pretty basic and a lot of people have their own methods, but this is my method and it's one that I use every single week. I do a batch of hard-boiled eggs that I take in my lunches and pack in lunches, and then later I will actually show you one of my favorite ways to use hard-boiled eggs, and that is in homemade baked Scotch eggs. But this is just about the hard-boiled eggs. So the easiest thing to do is fill your pot up with water, cold water, and then take your eggs and you're going to gently drop them in. The water's not hot yet, so you're not going to burn yourself. And then you're just going to turn your burner on with the eggs in there and let that come to a boil. So after these eggs cook and cool, I'm going to show you how I peel them. Again, there's a lot of different methods on how people peel their eggs to make them look pretty. I have found that actually the freshest eggs are the hardest to boil. So if I am going to do something where I want the hard-boiled egg to be picture perfect and look pretty, for example, deviled eggs on a platter and you're actually going to see the outside, I will buy those eggs a week ahead of time. But this just for the Scotch eggs that I'm going to show you later, and then just to put in my lunches, I'm not too worried about how picture perfect they are. So anyway, eggs are in the pot. They're covered with about 1 inch of water, and you just bring that to a boil. Once that water comes to a boil, you'll see the bubbles in the pot. You just want to cover it and turn the heat off. And it's going to sit in there for about 10 minutes. After the eggs have been in the water for 10 minutes, you can uncover them. And then you just drain it and put it in a bowl of cold water. You can put it in ice water. I normally just do cold water. And all that's doing is stopping it from cooking. And once it's at that stage, then you can wait until they are cool enough to touch, and then you can peel them, and we'll go through that. But that's it. Boiled eggs that sat in the boiling water for 10 minutes, covered, then drained, and then put into a bowl of cold water. Okay, we are going to peel the eggs that you've boiled. So they have just been sitting in cold water. I just take them, dry them off a little bit, and then just crack them on the cutting board. And they should peel easily. You can peel them underwater. I find that easiest. Some people peel them under running water, which does work, but I don't like to waste the water. So I usually just put them in the bowl and then peel them underneath the cold water. And I had mentioned before that older eggs peel a little bit nicer. These are not looking so pretty, so I think these were pretty fresh. But for what we're going to do with them with the Scotch eggs, it's okay if they're a little less than photogenic. Not very pretty, but peeled. There's one. Okay, let's see if we get some other ones that might be a little bit more pretty. Okay, and you can see that one is a little bit nicer. There's one edge that peeled away, but not too bad. I'm going to keep going on these. And there you have my steps for making easy hard-boiled eggs. As I said, I do it this way every week. If you try this and you find it helpful, please click like. And if you use a different method, go ahead and drop that in the comments. I'd love to learn from you. And you don't want to miss our next video on how I use these to make Scotch eggs. So make sure that you ring that notification bell and click subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.